Welcome to today's video, where we will discuss the proven strategies for long-term financial success. Whether you're fresh out of college or in your 30s, it's never too early or late to start planning for your financial future. In this video, we'll cover the most essential tips that you can implement today to secure your financial future. Tip number 1, start saving early. The power of compound interest is incredible, and the earlier you start saving, the better. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount each month, it can add up over time. And when it comes to investing, time is your biggest ally. Tip number 2, create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a powerful tool that helps you track your income and expenses, and it ensures that you're living within your means. With a budget, you can also prioritize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Tip number 3, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can throw a wrench in your financial plans. That's why it's essential to have an emergency fund that can cover at least 6 months' worth of expenses. This will give you peace of mind and protect you from financial setbacks. Tip number 4, invest in your education and career. Your earning potential is directly tied to your education and career choices. Investing in yourself through education or acquiring new skills can lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries. Tip number 5, pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can eat away at your finances and prevent you from building wealth. Make it a priority to pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible to free up more money for savings and investments. Tip number 6, invest for the long term. Short-term gains may be tempting, but investing for the long term is the key to building sustainable wealth. Consider investing in low-cost index funds, which provide broad exposure to the stock market and have historically delivered solid returns over time. Those are our top 6 proven strategies for long-term financial success. Implementing these tips may take time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. So start today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.